justify your knowledge about English, it's will be better for you.
That's exactly right.
And if anyone want if anyone want to go abroad for study, for higher study level, he must be taken as without us. Uh, Many universities are not allowed.
Yes, IELTS is the uh, way to allow you to get
Yeah,
you
yeah.
entered in
Get a
abroad
chance to get, yeah, to get a
universities.
chance in abroad and universities.
That's right. International Language Testing System is called IELTS.
Yeah, yeah. International language testing system.
Do you have the Makkar PDF
Yeah.
for spoken practice?
No, I have not a Makkar PDF, but also I have a Makkar books only, which is
Okay,
updated.
okay. Which, oh, maybe it's eighth generation, maybe, or ninth, 18th.
It's on September to December
The version is 18
since
or 19.
2023
There,
version.
there are many version. Maybe the first, the Makkar started in 2016 or 2014. I just forgot.
I have updated one. I have updated one, so I I couldn't see it.
So, okay, don't worry about
I
it.
I didn't see it on my book, which is version is it. I know it is September December 2023 version that is updated in the now's market.
It will be a good idea to practice using the Makkar cue card question, suppose, because the
Yeah, there are a lot of QCAD courses
yes, it's a better way.
which can yeah, which can be helped us in any ways.
Yes, because when you
And,
are
and
talking and studying or taking a demo uh, cue card question, maybe we are friends, but you are definitely going to talk about a specific topic and you will learn something new, sure. Because when you're
yeah,
talking
yeah,
about the topic and you include different question, why it is, why not, why you like it, how you have it, you don't have it. So this
yeah.
is very important. Sometimes,
Anyone,
yes,
anyone can
we can
enrich.
learn.
Anyone can enrich her or his knowledge about many things,
Yes.
which
No, we-
uh, which uh, which may be or which might be uh, about books, movies,
actually,
hotels,
yes,
vegetables.
yes.
These are,
That's exactly right, because suppose if you continue the cue card and your today's topic is about garden, so
yeah,
today you will definitely learn something new about garden. And if your
yeah, yeah,
next day
yeah.
topic is uh, restaurant, then you are going to definitely learn
I
something
think, and
new
I
about the
assume
topic.
that I assume that it's very good for us because
Yes,
when a student will sit an exam for it may be a speaking exam or a speaking test, it will be very helpful for him because
yes,
when he speak in English, the words vocabulary are rounding her knowledge or his knowledge because
yes.
of reading more and more cue cards on Makkar's books.
Yes, that's exactly right.
Yeah,
I think that the
that is
student,
very adjuvant for us.
yes, yes, no, the student, they are getting the advance. I mean, the information, and they are getting the. I think that this is a kind of best system to learn English.
Yeah,
Even
I
you are in a group, but the
I would say
students of
that
IELTS, they are
yeah,
getting this advanced system, but the
they're
others,
yeah they're
they
upper
cannot.
level students.
Yes, yes. But the other general student, they are just trying to uh, learn English. They even don't know about the system. Sometimes they just talk about a topic, and they
In our
don't have a
country,
specific question plan. you
in
know
our country, many teachers who are who might be a university teacher or college teacher, many of them are ignore IELTS or ignore English, and they are very poor level in English. Do
yeah.
you know about it?
I'm not sure about it, but
Because many of them are they are not have the knowledge about IELTS. So I think without us, non-student or non-teacher uh, can speak English fluently.
mm, uh, you are right. But I will disagree a little bit because maybe it's possible if you don't take part on IELTS exam, but if you have a strong uh, wish or a strong how to say it. Actually, you are passionate to learn English. That time it's possible to be a expert person in English.
Yeah, it- it's for such men who are very specific,
Yes, that
or and confident level are high.
yes, that's exactly right. That's exactly right.
Nice to meet you because you're very smart speaker. What I see that.
Don't like that. Sometimes I don't speak the way I am speaking. Suppose the way, hello, how are you? I'm good. What about you? you know
Mashallah.
it takes
But
time,
but
it takes time to
yeah,
take the exact position of speaking to me. First of all, I try to understand the person, is he or she okay to speak the right way? Then my mood goes sensed. Okay. And
yeah.
I try to change my spoken style. I try my best to speak the right way possible, you see.
So if you never mind, I will invite you to follow my ID. Oh, sorry, follow my profile.
Okay,
And
sure,
if you
why not?
if,
We are a good friend.
yeah,
We can be social. You
we
can
can
follow me.
be
I have already followed
we
you.
can be a good friends for here.
Yes. Actually, to be honest, this is a free time English practice, right?
Yeah,
We
it's
are,
very important.
yes,
It's
free.
I have to be honest, I have joined here for my practice for my practice only, not the other sides, because the the upcoming exam is my IELTS main exam. So if you if you get a if you want to get a chance a band score 9, uh, it would be very hard. But I think if Allah wants, it's possible, not impossible.
Yes, that's exactly right. You need good score, and you need hard work, because IELTS includes four parts. You have to be
Yeah,
good score
everyone
every part, and mostly,
correspondingly practices.
yeah,
If we
mostly
with the
written and
with the IT students, with the IT students who want to get a good band score in IELTS main exam, um, he must be practice English regularly. So for this plan and for this scheme, I have joined here. But there are a lot of friends they are not a friends, specific friends to me. So I am saying that if you want to, if you want to be a friend with me, I will follow it. I will follow you, and you will have a follow to me.
Yes, I have already followed you, brother.
Okay.
We can be
I have,
social now. This is it is called social. When about Facebook call friends, there is friend, but first of all, this is a word of social here. When you follow me, I will
yeah.
follow you. You will see, it's about
I have
social.
clicked. I have clicked the followed icon.
Yes. And would you mind if I share this conversation on YouTube?
Okay, no problem. I have no problem.
Okay, actually, I have already mentioned that this is Free Time English, and this is a playlist name of my YouTube channel.
Okay, what's your YouTube channel?
This is not so big now, and the channel name is Study Zone 360. And
It's wow.
recently, I am planning to work on English language. Actually, I don't know what is the English level about me, but I want to learn English. That is the reason
Yeah.
I want to utilize my free time. The people who also want to learn English so that they can learn something,
Wow.
right?
That's very marvelous speech which you want to achieve.
Yes, brother. So one thing I mention again that even I am not planning for IELTS, but I know already many friends like you, they are taking IELTS already. Many of them are abroad. That is the reason why
Wow,
even that's
that's
the reason
that's
why
very
I know uh, most of the basic and fundamental information about IELTS. And
and
one thing is that the system of 𝐂𝐶 question I like the
wow.
very much because
Do you know that the QCA questions, which is a part of ICE speaking test, which are the second part of this
yes,
exam?
yes, that's exactly right. I have discovered, I have learned it by myself. Suppose you see Bangladeshi people and around all of the world, people trying to learn English, and I was one of
Yeah,
them.
yeah.
Uh, but when I was a little bit advanced, and that time I saw people are talking about IELTS, I was worried. What is IELTS? So I just found it, and the system is really nice. And
Yeah, yeah,
when you are
really nice.
taking IELTS,
It's
when
not so difficult.
yes,
I think it's not so difficult.
not difficult.
If
If
you
you
practice,
yes, yes, yes,
if you practice fluently, you'll be get a band. If you can be get a good band score in main exam.
yes. Practice makes a man perfect,
Perfect. Yeah. Yeah.
right?
Probably it.
Practice makes a man perfect. And one thing you said that the teacher, they can do good in my opinion, but if the teacher take IELTS exam, they will be more expert. And i
Yeah,
i,
yeah.
I agree with you about this, and I think that the people who are not taking IELTS, they can be a good speaker, you know, listener.
They can be a good speaker.
But in the
It's
other
right,
part,
but the
such as
other person which
writing,
is writing, reading, and
yes, yes,
listening module,
yes,
which part is in, they are not unskilled.
yes,
But if he or she can be a good teacher, uh, if he or she admitted in as regular classes and take main exam, and you can get a good band score. I want to say that you will be a good teacher and among the school or college or her institution or his institution.
yes. And this is a common thing in our country, Bangladesh. Even if you are very interested, I'm talking about the problem I faced in my past years. Okay, there is
Okay.
no one who is interested to talk to you, even your friends, in front of any person. You will not find us. person who is ready to speak with you.
Yeah,
Even
it's right.
sometimes, even sometime it was very hard to find a person on Facebook that, hey
Yeah,
friend, are you ready to practice spoken English? So this is very bad problem. I say, I repeat, very bad problem, because while the person, you see, there is a common, how to say, there is a common system and common thinking. Suppose you are good at English, people will admire you. But I'm talking about all the people, they want to learn English, but they are not interested to start it. They feel
yeah,
shame.
yeah, yeah.
So that's very bad problem. And such kind of platform, free for talk, and many spoken English apps, website, helping to reduce this problem. Suppose there is no one to talk with me, but there is someone online available. These types of platform help us.
Yeah, you're saying right.
So, however, it was about 16 minutes we are talking.